So in Notion, what you can actually do is utilize AI for content generation as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say story idea right here, and I'm simply going to go ahead and say there is a graphics designer in Malaysia who is quite enthusiastic right here, just like this. So let me just go ahead and correct out the spelling right here, just like this, and then this is what I have. So now what I want to do is I actually want to utilize AI to generate more sentences by keeping this as a base. So what you can actually do is go around over here on to Ask AI, and then you can see that this is what I have. So I got make longer, and then you can see that write anything is an option and so forth. So let me just go ahead and click on make longer. So once you go ahead and do that, it's actually reading this, and it says working diligently from his home studio in Kuala Lumpur. There is a passionate graphic designer who brings boundless enthusiasm and creative energy. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. So now you can simply go ahead and, let's say, for example, improve the writing as well. Let's say, for example, and then this is what you have. You can go ahead and add it in, insert out below, and this is what you have. So you can utilize AI right here, just like this. So you can go around and, let's say, for example, select this out. Let's say, for example, select this particular sentence out, ask AI and fix the spelling grammar, even utilize the translate to option right here, and then let's say simplify the language and change the tone even right here, and simply utilize the AI right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and make it into casual, and now this block right here becomes casual, and you can simply go ahead and then change it out. And that is how you can go ahead and use AI for content generation inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.